Hello everyone, this is Dr. Navneet Raj. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Prepare NTA NET Exam Online Daily Classes. And today is day 23, paper 2 of People Development and Environment. We have done 25 questions so far. So let's start. Question number 26. Inadequate drainage in a soil will lead to. Your options are option A, floods, option B, soil erosion, option C, aridity, option D, salination. Inadequate drainage in a soil will lead to salination. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 25. The gas released in Bhopal tragedy was. Your options are MIC, option B, Phosgene, option C, COCl2, option D, none of these. The gas released in Bhopal tragedy was MIC. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 28. Aerosol is a system of colloidal particles having a size of, your options are option A, less than 1 μm, option B, 1 to 2 μm, option C, more than 10 μm, option D, 5 μm. Aerosol is a system of colloidal particles having a size of less than 1 μm. Let's move to the next question. Question number 29. Water-soaked appearance of leaves due to sulphur dioxide pollution is caused by. Your options are option A, damage to membranes, option B, destruction of chlorophyll, option C, both A and B, option D, corrosive action over metals. Water-soaked appearance of leaves due to sulphur dioxide is caused by both A and B, damage to membranes and destruction of chlorophyll. Let's move to the next question. Question number 30. Pollution is, your options are option A, release of toxic or undesirable material in environment, option B, removal of topsoil, option C, conservation of energy, option D, all of the above. Pollution is release of toxic or undesirable material in the environment. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 31. SO2 pollution is indicated by destruction of, your options are option A, lichens, option B, climbers, option C, mosses, option D, grasses. SO2 pollution is indicated by destruction of lichens. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 32. Ultraviolet radiations from sunlight causes a reaction that produces. Your options are option A, ozone, option B, fluorides, option C, carbon monoxide, option D, sulfur dioxide. Ultraviolet radiations from sunlight causes a reaction that produces ozone. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 33. Gravity settling tanks or porous filters are caused to remove particles larger than, your options are option A, 2 μ, option B, 10 μ, option C, 20 μ, option D, 50 μ. Gravity settling tanks, porous filters are used to remove particles larger than 50 μ. Let's move to the next question. Question number 34. Most abundant water pollutant is, your options are option A, ammonia, option B, detergents, option C, industrial waste, option D, pesticides. Most abundant water pollutant is industrial waste. Let's move to the next question. Question number 35. Ozone depletion in stratosphere shall result in, your options are option A, global warming, option B, increase incidence of skin cancer, option C, forest fire, option D, none of the above. Ozone depletion in a stratosphere shall result in increased incidence of skin cancer. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 36. Fluoride pollution produces necrosis or chlorosis of. Your options are option A, leaf margin and tip, option B, stem, option C, petiole but not lamina, option D, midrib. Fluoride pollution produces necrosis of, chlorosis of leaf margin and tip. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 37. Domestic waste constitutes. Your options are option A, air pollution, option B, biodegradable pollution, option C, non-biodegradable pollution, option D, effluents. Domestic waste constitutes biodegradable pollution. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 38. Huge quantity of sewage is dumped into a river. The BOD will. Your options are option A, decrease, option B, increase, option C, slightly decrease, option D, remain unchanged. Huge quantity of sewage is dumped into a river. The BOD will increase. So the correct answer is option B. Let's move to the next question. Question number 39. Zooming occurs in India in. Your options are option A, Malabar area, option B, Madhya Pradesh, option C, Northeast, option D, hilly areas. Zooming occurs in India in Northeast. So the correct answer is option C, Northeast. Let's move to the next question. Question number 40. Lead pollution in Indian cities is mainly due to. Your options are option A, automobiles, option B, batteries, option C, electronic gadgets, option D, lead pencils. So lead pollution in Indian cities is mainly due to automobiles. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 41. BOD is related to. Your options are option A, detergents, option B, inorganic pollutants, option C, organic pollutants, option D, none of these. So BOD is related to organic pollutants. So the correct answer is option C. Let's move to the next question. Question number 42. Smog occurs in places of. Your options are option A, excess of SO2, option B, excess of NH3, option C, low temperature, option D, high temperature. Smog occurs in places of excess of SO2. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 43. Ozone promotes. Your options are option A, destruction of colloidal, option B, oxidization of biochemicals, option C, both A and B, option D, growth of plants. Ozone promotes both destruction of chlorine and oxidation of biochemicals. So the correct answer is option C, both A and B. Next, let's move to the next question. Question number 44. Ultraviolet light causes. Your options are option A, photodynamic action, option B, formation of pyrimidines, option C, sticky metaphases, option D, destruction of hydrogen bonds between complementary DNA strands. Ultraviolet light causes destruction of hydrogen bonds between complementary DNA strands. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 45. Ecological balance of mining areas is restored through. Your options are option A, conversion into agriculture area, option B, prevention of soil erosion, option C, protection against grazing, option D, revegetation of area. Ecological balance of mining areas is restored through revegetation of area. Let's move to the next question. Question number 46. Photochemical reaction of nitrogen oxides with unsaturated hydrocarbons produces. Your options are option A, Phosgene. Option B, benzpyrene. Option C, methyl isocyanate. Option D, peroxyacyl nitrate. Photochemical reaction of nitrogen oxides with unsaturated carbons produces peroxyacyl nitrate. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 47. Atmosphere of metropolitan cities is polluted by most. Your options are option A, automobile exhausts. Option B, pesticide residue. Option C, households. Option D, radioactive fallout. Atmosphere of metropolitan cities is polluted by automobile exhaust. So the correct answer is option A. Let's move to the next question. Question number 48. Spraying of DDT produce pollution of, your options are option A, air. Option B, air and water. Option C, air and soil. Option D, air, water and soil. Spraying of DDT produce pollution of air, water and soil. So the correct answer is option D. Let's move to the next question. Question number 49. Electrostatic precipitators are employed to remove particulate pollutants of a size of, your options are option A, 5 to 20 mu. Option B, 20 to 50 mu. Option C, 50 mu and larger. Option D, 0.5 to 5 mu. Electrostatic precipitators are employed to remove particulate pollutants of the size of 5 to 20 mu. Let's move to the next question. Question number 50, and this is the last question of today. Domestic waste is, your options are option A, air pollutant. Option B, biodegradable. Option C, effluent. Option D, non-degradable. Domestic waste is biodegradable. So correct answer is option B. So that's all for today. Please subscribe the channel for daily classes and latest updates. Thank you. Thank you very much.